Welcome to this quick step-by-step guide on how to e-file your 1099 NEC using TaxFormHero in minutes. I'll walk you through the entire process, from creating your account to submitting your forms securely online. Let's get started and make tax filing simple. Step 1. Open your browser. Visit TaxFormHero.com. So we'll just sign up here and starting by typing username, email address, set a password, confirm the password, accept the terms, and let's click sign up. You will see two-factor verifications. A code will be emailed out to your email address. Just bear in mind sometimes because of the high traffic, your one-time passcode may end up in your spam or junk folder. So we got one-time passcode on my inbox. Let's fill out the business information. Start with your first name and last name. Business name, phone number. Type of business. Number of forms you'll be filing. And let's click submit. Once we are signed in, we'll be directed to this dashboard, which is the Submit Form dashboard. So first thing we need to do is create Payer. We can create Payer on the Payer directory here, or simply use the Submit Form Payer button here. So let's start by creating a Payer. Please make sure anything with the asterisk mark is a mandatory field. For businesses, please leave the first name blank. First name needs to be used only for individuals. For names and addresses, do not use any comma or periods as they are character sensitive. For state, please only use 2 letters abbreviation, and for zip code, only the first 5 digits. For phone number, only 10 digits. Let's fill out the business name. EIN, street address line 1, street address line 2, city, state, zip code, phone number, email address. Let's hit submit. So we have created a new payer here. Now let's choose the tax year, choose the type of form. We will do 1099 NEC, and let's select ABCDINC, the payer that we have just created. Now we can add our recipients here. Simply enter the first name, last name, social security number, and email address of the recipients if you are doing e-delivery to them. E-delivery is when you request us to send the recipient a paperless tax form. Street address, and let's hit submit. The recipient information will arrive in the bottom table. Just hit View and Edit button to fill out form information. So let's click View Edit here. Click Edit on top right corner, scroll down. So here on the top, you have the payer information, the middle part is the recipient information, and at the bottom, you have the form information. On Box 1 information for 1099 NEC, we will put $600 for John Doe as non-employee compensations for add-on services like team checks, state filing, printing and mailing, and e-delivery. You can simply choose here, or you can click Save. And choose the add-ons in the table. So for John Doe, we will do printing mail and will also mask the first 5 digits of the social security number. So how do we bulk mask or just mask his social security? Just click on Box here on the Under Bulk Mask and trigger bulk masking. See, now the 10 will be masked. Verify the form info by downloading the draft PDF. Once the form is submitted, you can also download the PDF form free of charge. Now let's add the form to cart. We put our payment information, submit payment. Once the payment is complete, please provide your review and feedback. After submission, you will be directed to Status page. You get real-time updates on your submission status. Once we file it to the IRS, the status will change to accepted, rejected, or processing. You can also check out your add-on status, such as your TIN verification, state filing, and print and mail status here too. And that is it. Thank you. Don't forget to check out how you can bulk file your 1099 NEC using TaxFormHero in minutes. Thank you for watching.